guys, so this is the part 2, and my teacher's actually finding me again, but I'm still hiding in here. So guys, I'm checking my teacher because my teacher is in here. Yes. Yeah guys, so that's my teacher. So she's eating first before she's cleaning her dinner now. We're gonna hide here. So teacher is go in here. She's now home.